Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Money Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a baby boomer, marble and color block nail design using dip powders. So let's get right into the video. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Sky bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying one layer of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply a thin layer of base and then I dipped it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. Starting on the pinky nail, I'm using my Revel nail ensemble dip powder and my Rosalind milky white dip powder, and I'll be doing a baby boomer nail. So I apply a thin layer of base and then I sprinkled the milky white dip powder on the tip area and the nude dip powder on the nail bed area. I did 3 layers of that. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment your thoughts on the design as well, and also don't forget to subscribe. Moving on to the middle finger, I did the same thing. Now on the ring finger, I apply a thin layer of base and then I poured the milky white dip powder on the nail. I did 2 layers of that. In a container, I placed some of the milky white dip powder and some of the green dip powder, which is known as flannel from Revel nail, and I swirl it together to get the marble effect. Then I placed base on the ring finger and laid my finger into the marble mixture. Now, using my Mother One's gel top coat and my Macart detail brush, I placed a thin line on the marble nail. I had to redo mine off camera because I wasn't getting it right. I had to make sure it was thin, and then I poured my Mani Mix Gold dip powder on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. On the index nail, I applied tape off camera, then I placed base on the nail bed area, and I did another baby boomer nail, and I did 3 layers of that. Then I removed the tape because if I had left the tape on any longer, it would have stuck to the nail. Then I continued with my baby boomer nail for about 2 more layers. Now I placed activator on the nail, waited for it to harden, and then began filing to get a straighter line. This is after filing, and I placed another tape on the nail, and then I applied base to the nail and poured the green dip powder on the nail. So I'll let you guys watch, and I'll be back when it's time to encapsulate the nails. Now I encapsulated the nails with 3 layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer. Now I applied activator to all of the nails and waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing up the nails. So I place some Mother One's gel glue and top coat on my index, pinky and middle finger. Then I applied some rhinestones to the nails and cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think of the design and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.